Hi everyone, I am your gardening friend from AgriInfo Bank, Pakistan. Today we discussed vegetables that grow in December in Karachi, Pakistan. And here is a list of vegetables that you can grow in December. Remember to keep your plants well watered and protect them from cold nights and frost. Here is my list of veggies that will thrive in December. 1. Tomatoes. December is an excellent time to start tomato planting. They require at least 6 to 7 hours of sunlight daily and well-drained soil. 2. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are very easy to grow and thrive in December. They require plenty of sunlight and water. 3. Carrots. Carrots are another root vegetable that you can grow in December. Plant them in well-draining soil and give them plenty of sunlight. 4. Potatoes. December is an ideal time to start potato planting. Plant seed potatoes in well-draining soil and cover them with straw to keep the soil warm. 5. Onions. Onions are a versatile vegetable that you can grow all year round, but December is an excellent time to start. 6. Lettuce. December is a great time to start growing lettuce. They require plenty of sunlight and water. 7. Spinach. December is an excellent time to start growing spinach. They are very easy to grow and thrive in low temperatures. 8. Celery. Celery is a winter vegetable that you can grow in December. Plant the seeds outdoors in well-draining soil and protect them from frost. 9. Watermelons. Watermelons are excellent summer fruits, but you can still grow them in December. Plant seedlings outdoors in well-draining soil and protect them from frost. 10. Eggplant. Eggplants are a summer vegetable, but you can still grow them in December. Plant them outdoors in well-draining soil and protect them from frost. I hope this information helps you grow your vegetables successfully in December in Karachi, Pakistan.